Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Wrike to Google Drive for attachments and evidence, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Wrike account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to configure Google Drive integration. Click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Select Apps and Integrations from the drop-down menu. In the search bar, type Google Drive. Click on the Google Drive integration once it appears in the results. Read through the integration details and click the Add to Wrike button. You may be prompted to log into your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and grant Wrike the necessary permissions. Once permissions are granted, return to your Wrike workspace. Now, locate the specific project or task where you want to attach files. Click on the task to open its details panel. In the Attachments section, you will see an option to attach from Google Drive. Select this option to open a Google Drive file picker. Browse through your Google Drive files and select the desired document. Click on Select to attach the file to your Wrike task. You can also create new Google Drive documents directly from Wrike. To do this, click on the Create button within the Attachments section. Choose the Google Document option from the drop-down menu. Name your new document and click Create. The document will open in a new tab for you to edit. Once you save your work, it will automatically sync back to Wrike. To check your attached Google Drive files, refresh the task panel. Review the list of attachments to confirm everything appears correctly. Now, you can manage these attachments directly within Wrike. To edit or delete a Google Drive file, click on the options next to the attachment. Select the appropriate action from the menu that appears. Your Wrike tasks will now seamlessly integrate with Google Drive for better collaboration. Remember to encourage your team to utilize this feature for efficient file management. Regularly check and organize your Google Drive to ensure easy access to important documents. This completes the configuration of Wrike to Google Drive for attachments and evidence. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.